Step one, tie on your paddle wire. Really, you just want to make a knot. You can see in the photos here, I'm just looping it around. I'm going to make a tight knot. You can start at the bottom, wrap around. You can really just wrap the wire around itself. And then you really want to tuck all that little end bit around the edge of the wire, tuck it in so that you don't have any pointy bits. Pull the wire as tight as you can. And then you want to start trimming your greenery. You just trim at the branches. What you really want to have is beautiful greens that are about the size of your hand. So you can see here I've trimmed some down, and then I just put it together, and I'm wrapping it here with floral tape. You don't have to do this step, but it can be really nice, at least when you're starting your wreath, just to make sure you have things that are in bundles that are beautiful and just the way you like them. And here you can see you set a bundle on the wreath just under where you've fastened on, and take your paddle wire and just start wrapping it around. You want to make sure you're pulling it really tight. Now we're finishing the wreath. You can see I built the wreath all the way around, kind of 3 little bundles across, wrapping it around using my paddle wire all the way around. And I'm coming now to the very end where I'm going to start closing the very last part of the visual wire base of the frame. You can see as things come together that you have to really kind of lift these branches that you've already wired on so that you're not harming them, and so that they lay over and hide all the mechanics, which is sort of the magical work of floristry in general. Here I'm cutting the wire long enough so that I could make a little hook. And this is nice just in case you want to just make a hook. Of course, the frame itself can hang right on your wire wreath frame. However, if you're giving this as a gift or something, it's always nice to kind of add a little wire hook. So you just sort of do that by twisting your wire around, cutting it off, making sure that you're tying it off the same way that we tied it on, knot it really tight, and you could just hang your wreath. Now that you have a beautiful full wreath, it's time to add some accents. Here I'm using some dried flowers, and this is a super fun and kind of quick step. You'll notice what I'm doing is just taking the bare stems, and I'm looking to find spots in the wreath that already have wire that I can tuck things into. And once you find a spot, boy, just shove it in. Get it in there. You can kind of twist it and angle it. If it's not staying, take it out and find another spot to just shove it in. you want to cut your ribbon about maybe, well, it's just a little bit wider than the wreath frame, as you noticed in that earlier photo. So I am going to take the center of the ribbon and I'm just going to start a little bow and then I'm going to start folding it like a lasagna.
Have a little Christmas, Happy New Year. Very little Christmas, Happy New Year. Little Christmas, Happy New Year. Families, family, families, family, families, family. Have a little Christmas, Happy New Year. Very little Christmas, Happy New Year. Let us come together once every year. We are family. We are family. Let us come together, eat together, dance together. We are family, yeah. Have a little Christmas. Have a little Christmas. Happy New Year.
So to attach your ribbon to the wreath, you're going to take the loose wire from what you connected to the ribbon, and you are literally going to just wrap it around, thread it through anywhere you can, and you want to just twist it and tie it off and tuck all of the pointy bits into the back of the wreath. And there you have it. I'm trimming the little edges of the ribbon. Remember, it's a wired ribbon, so it has little wires, and you want to just trim everything, make it look beautiful, and not be pointy or dangerous.